Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add animation to your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to make your site more dynamic and engaging for visitors, bringing static pages to life with movement and visual interest. First, navigate to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Look at the left menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it and then select Edit Site from the drop-down that appears. This will show you all the websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website you want to work on and look towards the right side of the screen. You'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This opens up your site editor where all the customization happens. At the top menu, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is crucial because it's where you'll access all the tools needed to add elements to your site. Before we move forward, here's an important note. You need to have your animation embed code ready to go. This is the HTML code that contains your animation, and you should already have it copied and prepared for pasting. If you've got that sorted, perfect. Let's continue with the process. Now direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various elements you can add to your site. Look for the option called Embed Code. If you're having trouble spotting it among all the other elements, simply click on Show All Elements to expand the menu and make everything visible. Once you've located the embed code element, the next step is straightforward. Simply drag it onto your website where you want your animation to appear. This creates a placeholder for your custom HTML. Click on this placeholder and then click on Edit Custom HTML. This opens up a text box where you can input your code. Here's where the magic happens. Paste your animation embed code directly into this text box. The code you prepared earlier will now integrate into your Weebly site, bringing your animation to life exactly where you've placed it. You can preview your site to see how the animation looks and adjust its position if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added animation to your Weebly website, transforming it into a more interactive and visually appealing experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.